Hello friends, and welcome to this video. It's been a while since I dropped a video. If you are new to forex trading, make sure to check out my online course. The link is in my bio. Now I want to give you a strategy for trading that is very useful, and it's really based on price action. It's not based on indicators. So over here, right, you can see that I drew some arrows. Right, I drew some arrows here like this, and I drew them earlier on, and the price has just broken through. Now at the top side, what it means is that when the price breaks above this line, I would wait for a retest or a rejection back from it and go up, and vice versa at the other zone or at the other area. The reason I set the boundaries, so I put a blue line here and a red line here, the reason I set the boundaries was because I saw and realized that the price had moved upwards like this, right, and had come down. So then I knew that the price had created a boundary, had created a resistance zone or a supply zone, and I knew therefore that if price broke above the zone, then the price would now be ready to go up. And the same reasoning for the downside. I also knew that there was a demand zone here because the price had retested the bottom line here 2 times, and I knew therefore that if the price would reverse and break down the blue line, then we were going to go down. So this middle area here is an area where we don't take a trade, right? We have to wait for either the breakout above or below, and it's very simple. You can use this on any time frame. I did it on a 4-hour time frame. So basically, after it broke out from the red line, then you would enter a trade to go up. I've already taken 2 trades today, and they were all wins. So you can see here I took 2 trades. Nasdaq this way, Nasdaq 100, 2 sales, and I made $6 and $5 respectively on a $100 account. So I'm testing it on a $100 account. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to enter the trade again, right? I'm going to enter this trade again, and I'll post the results of the trade later on to see if my strategy is a good strategy or not. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here. I'm going to tap the buy, and I'm going to place a stop loss since I'm going to place a take profit and tap the buy. Alright, so we just entered the trade. I'm risking 30 pip to go for 30 pip for a 1:1, a 1:1 risk to reward ratio. I could go up a bit more, up to around this area to make more money, right? But I decided that 30 pips is enough for this particular trade. So you get access to join my community. I have a free community too. In this community, I only give trading tips, right? I only give trading tips and advice in the community. I do not give signals or anything like that. And if you want to see the results, I'll also post the results